I think broadly the answer to what you're saying is yes.
Right.
We, every other company here, do market research to understand what people are finding valuable. And,
all right. Okay.
Recognize the gentleman from Georgia, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Facebook is dominant not just in the social media market, but also in its digital surveillance capabilities. In 2012, Facebook had several tools that allowed it to conduct digital surveillance, including trackers, Facebook's like button, Facebook login, and a series of application programming interfaces or APIs. Mr. Zuckerberg, these tools provide Facebook with insights into its competitors' websites and apps. Isn't that correct? Yes or no?
Congressman, I think broadly the answer to what you're saying is yes.
Right.
We, every other company here, do market research to understand what people are finding valuable. And,
all right. Okay. So you're going beyond the scope of my question. I appreciate that answer, though. Mr. Zuckerberg, a few days before Facebook acquired Instagram, a Facebook vice president emailed you suggesting ways to improve Facebook's, quote, competitive research, end quote. By building a custom model, Facebook could improve its understanding of its competitors and, quote, make more bold decisions on whether they are friends or foes, end quote. Mr. Zuckerberg, how does Facebook improve its competitive research to distinguish friends from foe?
Congressman, I'm not sure exactly what he was referring to in that email there, but he is one of the people involved in running our analytics organization, and I think it's natural that he would, as part of his responsibility, be focused on market research and understanding more there.
And certainly, isn't it true that Facebook, after that conversation, purchased the web analytics company Onevo in 2013 to give Facebook more capability to monitor its competitors?
Congressman, I think you have the timing correct. After we purchased Onevo as part of our broader market research capacity.
And that would give you the capability.
Sa Amerika, lumantad sa isang TV show ang whistleblower na nag-aakusa sa Facebook kaugnay sa umano'y paglaganap ng misinformation. Giit ni Francis Hogan na dating empleyado ng Facebook Incorporated, mas prioridad umanong kumita ng social media giant kaysa pigilan ang paglaganap ng mga maling impormasyon at hate speech. Nakatakdang humarap sa US Senate si Hogan kaugnay sa investigasyon kung papaano mapoprotektahan ang mga bata sa mga nababasa o napapanood sa internet. Itininggi naman ng Facebook ang mga akusasyon ni Hogan at iginiit na gumagawa sila ng paraan para masawata ang pagkalat ng mga maling impormasyon at mga content na nakasasama sa publiko.